you think you know AI? Wrong. Today, we're exposing AI's mind-blowing capabilities you're probably completely missing out on. It's not just chatbots anymore. This is a tech revolution. You ready to be amazed? Let's go. Forget code. AI is an artist, a composer. Check this out. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are unleashing art in styles we've never seen before. And AI isn't just about visuals. It's also composing original music in any genre. This is about democratization of creativity. But AI isn't just about art and music. It's making a real impact right now. AI is revolutionizing accessibility, giving new tools to those who need them the most. Transcription, visual aids, the possibilities are endless. AI is personalizing learning and transforming healthcare, fitness trackers, personalized workouts. AI is taking care of you. It's about empowering everyone. Let's get down to business. AI is a productivity machine. AI is automating mundane tasks, freeing up your time for what matters. Scheduling, emails, data entry, it's all handled. Content creation, marketing, video editing, you name it. AI is doing it faster and better. And AI can analyze large sets of data, helping you make informed decisions that will help you move forward. AI is tackling humanity's biggest problems. AI is accelerating scientific breakthroughs, design processes, and even helping us to combat climate change. This is where AI can change everything. You think you've seen it all? Think again. AI is personalizing fashion and creating recommendations and designs just for you. AI is also transforming travel planning with custom itineraries, no more boring trips. And for the gamers, AI can create an entirely custom in-game world, unique for you, and tailor the story around your individual choices. This much power comes with serious responsibility. We need to be aware of the ethical considerations, bias, misuse, job displacement. AI's power means we have to use it with responsibility and care. So, are you ready for the AI revolution? It's here, it's happening now. AI isn't just a trend, it's a complete transformation, and it's time to get involved. So go explore, experiment, and let's build an amazing future. If you're blown away, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane tech breakdowns. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm your name, channel name. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.